Hey guys and gals, game time, and today I'm opening a bunch of 2018 Elite Football Blasters. I've picked up 10. I don't know where I got 2 from. Oh, I was going to say I'm going to do it in 2 videos. I'm going to do 5 blasters now and 5 in the next video. And I'm going to try to save some time by going ahead and opening the boxes and pulling out the packs. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll be right back with all the packs. Okay, I'm back. I kept the stacks just as they were in the box, so we'll see what the hit is from each of the blasters. There's only 4 packs per box, and so there's 20 cards total, but you are guaranteed 1 mem or autograph card per box, so we should have 5 hits here. So here's box number 1. Let's see what we got. Let's see, they feel pretty thin. I've had good luck with getting autographs out of this stuff, so hopefully that we will get a lot of those. Although it looks like we actually got points this time. So let me flip this around. Hang on, let me grab them out of here. 150, which is, I guess, about right for a blaster box if they're gonna rob you of your hit. So there's the hit from this box. Then we have a green. All the parallels and inserts will be green parallels in the blaster box. So green dual threats Tom Brady, Harrison Smith, Kenyon Drake, and Andrew Luck. Then we have Chandler Jones, Matthew Stafford, a green Ben Roethlisberger, and a green Todd Gurley Spellbound, and Ryan Tannehill. Joe Mixon, Von Miller, a green rookie Dante Jackson for the Panthers, a green Field Vision Melvin Gordon, and Delaney Walker. And our last pack of box 1 has Christian McCaffrey. Here's a numbered rookie, Quentin Nelson to 699. Green Tyrod Taylor, green Des Bryant dual threats, and Josh Norman. So box 1 had the hit, quote, hit. 1 numbered rookie, several parallels, a green rookie, not too bad. Alright, let's check out box 2. We have Gronk, Alshon Jeffrey, a Denzel Ward autograph parallel, numbered to 99. Not bad. Dual threats Odell Beckham and Andy Dalton. AJ McCarron, Richard Sherman, green Amari Cooper, Spellbound Russell Wilson, the W, although it looks like a weird upside down M, and Jordan Howard. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's storming here. If you hear any rumbling, that's what it is. Keenan Allen, Matthew Ryan, who is this? Oh, Daron Payne from Bama, green rookie. Face to face Julio Jones and AJ Green and Tyreek Hill. Last pack of box 2 has Jarvis Landry, Blake Bortles, green Clay Matthews, green Flacco primary colors, and a Cam Newton. So a decent little autograph out of this box, but I did not get a numbered rookie. I was hoping for a numbered rookie, but not in that box. Alright, box 3. Actually, that one feels thick, so this must be a box with a jersey card hit. Cam Newton, Dak Prescott, Mariota Green, Jordan Howard, Spellbound, and Matty Ice. Come on. Alright, Gurley, Alex Collins, sweet, a Bradley Chubb green. Nice card there. Field Vision, Tom Brady, and Jarvis Landry. Darius Slay, Kirk Cousins, Terrell Suggs green, and JJ Watt dual threats. Blake Bortles, and last pack should have a hit. And it is Tyreek Hill. Here's a Royce Freeman numbered rookie. That's a nice pull out of this. Was a good box. And Hunter Henry is that jersey card. It's a dual relic elite coverage. We have, of course I'm going to drop some, Marcus Mariota dual threats, and Keenan Allen, and that is box number 3. If that box had had an autograph in it, it would have by far been the best one, but it ended up with that Hunter Henry jersey. This feels like another jersey card, so we'll skip past that for a minute anyway. Melvin Gordon, Harrison Smith, a green Kelvin Benjamin, dual threats Mariota, which we just got in the last box, and Alex Smith. Tannehill, Walker, JT Barrett green rookie. Russell Wilson, I, which again, if you turn it, looks like an H. I don't know what Panini was thinking, making these letters so squished and elongated and weird. And there's Julio Jones. Josh Norman, Myles Garrett, Jalen Ramsey parallel, Melvin Gordon field vision. I think we already have one of those. And LaShawn McCoy. Last pack of box 4. Le'Veon Bell, Doug Baldwin, a Wayne Gallman, dual relic elite coverage for the Giants. You can tell these are definitely different pieces of relic, so that's kind of nice. AJ Green primary colors, and T.Y. Hilton. So that box was me. Alright, let's check out box number 5. That may have another jersey card here. Let's see. I was definitely hoping for more autographs, but it is what it is. Phillip Rivers, Adam Thielen, Alden Tate green rookie, Carson Wentz spellbound, and Tyreek Hill. Amendola, Trey Quinn rookie to $6.99. So did get a numbered rookie here. Richard Sherman green, Antonio Brown, Vontaze Burfict face to face, and Cam Newton. Jimmy Graham, Robbie Anderson, Keenan Allen, green, Gurley, primary colors. Oh, good God. And Todd Gurley. Honestly, I have no idea why I drop so many cards when I'm making these videos. I don't even do that when I'm opening stuff off camera. So I must be jinxing myself somehow. Derrick Henry, Mahomes, Ryan Switzer. This is another Elite Coverage dual relic. So we ended up with three jersey cards, one autograph, and some points. Not the best. Russell Wilson, Field Vision, and Dak Prescott. Yeah, definitely not the best. Oh, Lord, I'm sorry, my dog's crying. Let me go check on him. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back in just a few with the next 5 boxes. Everybody take care.